Ready to take your cooking game to the next level? These premium kitchen gadgets are all about smart design, sleek style, and effortless performance. From prep to plating, they'll make every step in the kitchen smoother and more enjoyable. You'll find all the products linked in the description below. Say goodbye to weak squeezes and wasted juice. This 2-in-1 hand juicer gets every last drop out of lemons, limes, and even small oranges. Just place your fruit inside, press down, and watch fresh juice flow while seeds and pulp stay behind. It's sturdy, simple to use, and small enough to store anywhere. Cleanup takes seconds, making it the easiest way to add a zesty kick to your drinks or meals. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this Griddler has you covered. It's 6 appliances packed into one: a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, combo grill, Chelchon griddle, and even a top melt for cheesy perfection. Dual temperature zones let you cook eggs on one side while searing steak on the other. Digital controls keep things simple, and cleanup is a breeze with removable non-stick plates. One tool, endless mealtime options. This isn't just a coffee table, it's a full-on smart station for your living room. Built right in are refrigerated drawers to keep drinks and snacks chilled within arm's reach. On top, you've got a wireless charger plus extra ports for all your devices. Bluetooth speakers fill the room with sound, while ambient lights sync to the music. It's the perfect mix of furniture and futuristic tech, all in one sleek design. Who says frozen drinks are only for restaurants? This machine brings the magic right to your kitchen. Just pour in your favorite liquid, juice, coffee, soda, or even chocolate milk, hit a preset button, and watch it turn into a smooth, icy treat. You can choose the texture, from thick slushies to lighter blends. Best part? It keeps your drink frozen and ready for hours so you can sip at your own pace. Weeknight dinners just got easier. This 6-quart slow cooker has room for a whole chicken or roast, making it perfect for family meals or meal prep. The ceramic non-stick interior cleans up effortlessly. With programmable settings, a delay timer, and a keep warm mode, dinner is always ready when you are. You can even take the removable pot straight to the stovetop or oven for extra flavor. Here's a clever way to light up your home without adding clutter. This wall outlet doubles as a nightlight, giving you a soft glow that automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn. No bulky plugins, no wasted space. The tamper-resistant design keeps little ones safe, and the slim fit makes installation simple. A practical upgrade that blends safety, convenience, and style into one neat solution. Nothing beats the smell of fresh bread at home. This compact bread maker does all the hard work, mixing, kneading, rising, and baking with just the press of a button. Choose from different loaf sizes and crust shades to get it exactly how you like it. A viewing window lets you peek at the magic while it bakes. Warm, golden bread on demand without lifting a finger. Imagine a cleaner that handles everything while you relax. This robot vacuum doesn't just sweep, it vacuums with turbo suction and scrubs floors with a roller mop that cleans itself 6 times a second. Hair won't tangle thanks to its special dual brushes, and even the edges and corners get spotless attention. The Smart Station empties, washes, and refills automatically. It's like having a cleaning crew packed into one sleek robot. Time travel for your desk? Almost. This retro flip clock brings back the charm of old-school mechanics with a modern twist. Each minute, The cards flip down with a smooth motion and a soft tick. Big, bold numbers make it easy to read, even from across the room. Quiet, accurate, and stylish. It's more than a clock. It's a statement piece for your home or office. Love cafe-style drinks but hate the trip to the coffee shop? This all-in-one milk frother lets you whip up silky foam for cappuccinos, lattes, or even latte art right at home. It creates microfoam so fine, your coffee looks and tastes like a barista made it. Works with both dairy and plant-based milks, so everyone's covered. Quiet, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. It's your shortcut to cafe-quality drinks every morning. Dull knives slowing you down? This 3-stage electric sharpener brings them back to life in seconds. The diamond abrasive surface handles even the toughest blades without wearing them down. A built-in 20-degree angle guide ensures precision, so every cut feels smooth and effortless. Plus, it even collects the metal shavings for easy cleanup. From chopping veggies to slicing meat, your knives will feel brand new again. Why buy endless bottles when you can make sparkling water right at home? With a pull of the lever, this machine turns plain tap water into fizzy perfection in seconds. You can enjoy it plain or mix in flavors to create your own drinks. Each CO2 cylinder makes gallons of bubbly water, cutting down on plastic waste. Sleek, simple, and fun. It's hydration made exciting. Make healthy snacks right at home with this powerful food dehydrator. With 15 stainless steel trays, you'll have plenty of space to dry fruits, veggies, herbs, or even homemade jerky. The rear fan ensures even drying without having to rotate trays, while the digital timer and temperature control let you customize every batch. Quiet, efficient, and easy to clean, it's the perfect tool for creating tasty, preservative-free treats. Dinner just got a serious upgrade. This 6-in-1 air fryer and toaster oven does it all. Air fry, toast, roast, bake, reheat, and broil without hogging counter space. It preheats lightning fast, cooking meals quicker than a regular oven. Steam infusion keeps food moist on the inside while perfectly crisp on the outside. From crispy fries to juicy chicken, you'll be covered for every craving. Turn your home into a spa with this sleek mini fragrance diffuser. It connects to Wi-Fi so you can control it from an app or even with voice commands. Choose your scent strength, set schedules, and enjoy a steady aroma that lasts for hours without fading. The included citrus refill adds a fresh, uplifting vibe with notes of lemon and verbena. Plus, it's safe for kids, pets, and everyday use. Pure water at the push of a button. This countertop reverse osmosis system uses a 7-stage process with UV light and remineralization to remove impurities while adding back healthy minerals. No plumbing needed, just fill it up and enjoy clean, great-tasting water in minutes. The smart display shows filter life and water quality in real time. Plus, the included glass carafe even lets you make refreshing fruit-infused water right at home. Tea, coffee, or cocoa, this kettle nails it every time. With 6 preset temperatures, you get the perfect heat for green tea, French press coffee, or even instant meals. It heats quickly with powerful wattage and keeps water warm for up to 30 minutes. The cordless design with a swivel base makes pouring effortless. Safe features like auto shutoff and boil dry protection give you peace of mind with every use. Stay cool without the noise. This oscillating table fan uses an energy-saving DC motor that delivers strong airflow while keeping power costs low. With 10 speed settings, a pivoting head, and 2 oscillation modes, you can direct the breeze exactly where you need it. The included remote makes adjusting easy from across the room. Quiet, efficient, and versatile, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or any space that needs fresh air. Love chewable, crunchy ice? This countertop Nugget Ice maker delivers it fresh in just minutes. It can crank out up to 44 pounds a day, so you'll never run out for parties, drinks, or daily use. Just press a button and watch it work. The clear window even lights up so you can see the ice forming. It even cleans itself with a built-in self-cleaning cycle. Compact, powerful, and always ready for your next drink. Mornings just got easier. This sleek drip coffee machine brews at the touch of a button, giving you a perfect cup every time. Want cold brew? It makes a rich concentrate in under half an hour. You can even fine-tune the temperature, flow, and bloom for coffee exactly how you like it. With a keep warm function and a programmable timer, your coffee is always ready when you are. Washing dishes doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This compact countertop dishwasher fits right on your counter and even has its own built-in water tank, so no complicated installation is needed. You get 5 different wash programs, including a special baby care mode that uses high-temperature cleaning for bottles and delicate items. After washing, it automatically air dries and keeps dishes fresh for days. Breakfast just got smarter. This sleek toaster has a touch screen with a countdown timer, so you know exactly when your toast will pop up. Choose from 6 bread types and 6 shade settings. Whether you like it lightly golden or deep and crispy, it's up to you. Dual controls let you toast different breads at the same time. Wide slots handle bagels, waffles, or thick slices with ease. Cooking just got a lot more entertaining. This smart under-cabinet TV flips down when you need it and tucks neatly away when you don't, saving you precious counter space. The screen rotates a full 360 degrees and tilts for the perfect view whether you're chopping, stirring, or relaxing. With Wi-Fi built in, you can stream shows, pull up recipes, or set a cooking timer. Crisp HD resolution makes everything look sharp and vivid.